Hello beautiful people, so today is Thursday. How are you? It's the last day of June. Oh my god, 6 months out of the year done already. 6 months out of the year is done already. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know. I don't know where I'm starting this vlog, so I may start it from Sunday when I was like doing other stuff, or I may start it today, so we'll see what the vibe, what the pre is. But for those of you who don't know, I'm Nella. I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm also a full-time medical doctor. But today I'm not at work because I took the day off. I took the week off to reset and refresh. Only carry big things, if you know what I mean. If you stand and say no, I'm looking for you. Better be straight if you're looking at me. You can so So we are here at Cafe Blue, you guys. I'll tell you, the drive was so long, we got lost, so we did have to drive from the beginning again. So we spent like probably an hour trying to get here, or longer. So yeah, here's the place. Olivia,
hi.
how are you doing?
I'm okay so far.
You enjoy a little trip up here?
I don't like the road. I don't like how rocky it is, how narrow and all of that. But I'm glad I reached my destination.
Safe and sound.
Yes, guys.
Hi guys, so I'm at Cafe Blue with Olivia. It's a sister date out, so I'm here with her. It was on her list, so I carried her up here. I've been before, so, you know, I have been doing an injustice to this child. I have not been carrying her places, so she hasn't been before, but I have been, so I carry her so she can see places and the things. I feel like I've been doing an injustice. Apparently Olivia do go nowhere. For shame. So this is what we got. Olivia got the jerk chicken panini with the blue lemonade. We got cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. I got the grilled chicken wrap, and I got the strawberry lemonade. So it is raining.
The same distance from the TV.
Wipe off your mouth. Give me a...
I'm saying? What you said?
Hello lovely people, welcome back. So today is Saturday. Today is July 2nd. Second day is July. I'm not lie. Girl is hungry. So I'm picking up my sisters because they want to go to Tivate. Wish it were me. Wish it were me. But yeah, so they want to go to TV, so them asked me to come pick them up. Tell me why I'm still waiting on them. Tell me why I'm still waiting on them. No, mind you, they tell me to come 1:30. I come 1:40. Come and say my sisters them late. You know, I'm a late person too, so I'm not gonna go on like I'm not gonna hype on them like say them a little late. But you know, I'm after I come wait upon pick them. So I come a little bit later, and it's now 1:51, and I'm still waiting like chicks. Anyways, yeah, so I'm waiting on them to go and drop them off so them can go to TV for themselves, and then I'm gonna go back home. I need to get hair to do my hair, you know, get weave to do my hair. But I don't know, I can do that during the week because honestly I do like to go places on the weekend, like commercial places. I prefer to try, you know, rush go there during the week when there's less traffic, because on the weekend everybody and them granny out. Worse, it look like it's going to rain. Yeah, everybody and their granny out. So I'm planning to later go to Kingston Kitchen. I need to go get my ticket because I don't want to pay at the gate. That's $500 more. So that's what I'm gonna do after this. And yeah, I left Casper at home because Casper was just being a little too hype. So I'm need for just hype himself in his yard. Okay? Because sir was behaving a little hype. Put some anti-hype on your life, sir. Anti-hype. Anyways, that's it for today. For now, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm trying to get back into vlogging. I'm trying to do more, you know, vlogs as well as more content. I have content to film when I go back home. So I'm trying to be more, you know, more of the YouTuber I'm meant to be, so that you guys can actually enjoy, you know, my company. All right, guys. Later. Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm picking up my sisters from, well, it's really Olivia go do her thing and Arnika follow her, so I'm picking them up now, and then we're gonna head to Tack Bar. Hopefully we can actually get something to eat, and then I'm going to head up to Kingston Kitchen afterwards. I tried doing a little different thing wearing rings. I'm not really a ring person, but I'm trying to, you know, expand my horizons. So that is what I'm doing right about now. I'm in traffic. What is Kingston without traffic? I beg you. I beg you. Alright. Let me go call those girls. For me. So guys, we're at Devon House heading to Tack Bar with Olivia and Arnika. We're here. My sisters. Yes, Olivia. Here is Tack Bar. And here are my sisters. Hey guys, so I just dropped off my sisters at Tack Bar, but there is a 25-minute wait time. I do have to go to Kingston Kitchen. It's 5:41, so I left them there. I'll have to go back to Tack Bar another day because 25-minute wait time, then wait time to get food, then all of that is gonna, you know, drive into my bottom line, and it's already 1:45. Now Kingston Kitchen finishes at 11, but I'm like, want to catch it to sunlight for video and thing, so I'm gonna head there right about now. So that is what I'm doing. I'm heading out and going to go video, or going to Kingston Kitchen right now, so I can get some good, you know, videos and catch it to light before it get dark out and ting. I know it's sun is setting a little bit later since it's summer, but you know, I'm leaving Devon House right about now. No man, outside hot. It's hot. Oh my word. And I never bring no water with me. Should I bring a bottle of water? Because God sees and God knows the place is hot. So Vanessa and Lexi said they're going to be there. There are two people I know are going to be there. I also know Janelle from simplylocal.life would be there. Other people on social media, I figure Tiana probably will be there. That's Wanga Gal and some other people, but I definitely know Lexi, Janelle and Vanessa will be there. So I'm gonna go meet up with Vanessa, and then hopefully I'll see the other guys along the way, get some pictures, do some content, because content will be content. I have to get to pay gate prices because I was very on the fence about actually going, so I have to pay the extra $500 in this economy. I want somebody sorry for me, and the brands can't send me tickets. Like, geez, send me tickets. You know, if brands send me things in advance, like a month in advance, before like the 15th of the month, I can usually plan out and incorporate things into my weekend. You know what I mean? Anyways, I really do hope to work with more brands and to work with brands in the future in like food, travel, lifestyle, beauty, those kind of stuff. So that's one of the things I do want to get into more or back into, because I did it before. Like, I worked with local brands, international brands, and I want to get back into working with brands because I really do like, you know, making content and stuff. I also want to let me put on my seatbelt now. I hadn't put it on just yet because I was in the car. I had just sit in the car, but now that I'm moving towards the exit, I need to put on my seatbelt. But yeah, I do want to work with like brands and things and stuff like that, and actually, you know, get paid brand collaborations. It would be a dream. I've been working hard. I think I've been working hard. I could work harder. There is no doubt that I can always work harder, like in terms of producing more content, because there are people who produce like 3 videos a week, but then also content creation is those people's bread and butter. Their main thing to do, videos, blog posts, those are their bread and butter. It is the butter, it is not the bread for me, because I don't make enough from creating content for it to sustain my life. So I still have to work full-time as a doctor, which means that I have 24-hour shifts, I have overnight calls, 32-hour shifts, things like that, which does affect my day and my ability to create things, especially when I'm tired or lazy. That's a part of it too. It's not just tired, sometimes I'm just lazy. And so anyways, so I'm heading to Kingston Kitchen now, exiting Devon House. So I'll see you guys when I reach. It's a holiday, yeah. We open your light open, it's the ocean. So I made it to Kingston Kitchen. Parking, terrible. Signage, atrocious. I rebuke it.
All night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you. All I'm saying.
or use